Hey y'all, it's Clayton Adams with National Trailer Source down in Rose City, Texas. Let's go take a look at some trailers. As we make our way into this 13-foot living quarter, we went ahead and upgraded to the U-shaped dinette, which breaks down to a sleeping area. Got your entertainment system, 6.0 fridge with the recessed cooktop, plenty of storage in this kitchen. As we make our way back toward the 3/4 private nose, notice you have that extra overhead storage above the sofa on the riser. Making our way toward the nose, look at the storage you have here behind the head. You also have outlets right there underneath those lights, and we did throw in a TV on the back of this partition wall. Last thing in this bathroom, you're going to have a neo-angled shower, medicine cabinet above the vanity, and a hanging closet. Thank y'all again for joining me on another episode of In the Box with Clayton. Make sure you give this video a like. Also, follow me on Facebook and YouTube for the latest inventory. Give me a shout, 409-769-7993. We'll hook you up.